Hi, everybody. I wanted, okay, let me start. I saw this on social media and I thought it was such a great idea, and I wanted to do a fun Easter spring art installation using these plates in front of my house. As we all know, it's been quite an interesting month, and it's been a very long, cold winter. So I thought this might cheer everybody up, and it was really fun to do. What I did was I use plastic plates because it's going to be outside, so paper plates wouldn't do in this situation. These are the party plates that I got. I got them on Amazon. Let's see, what is it? CrownDisplay.com. And these are 9-inch plastic plates. I bought 5, maybe there's 6 different colors. And then I bought a few colors of 7-inch plastic plates to use as the center of the flowers. So what you do is, you're going to lay down 5 of your plastic plates in a flower shape. I'm using a low temp mini glue gun. As long as you're using low temp glue, it doesn't matter what size glue gun. I just didn't want to melt the plastic on the plates, hence the reason for the low temp glue. So I set up my plates. I'm going to put on the one that's on the bottom, I'm going to put some hot glue. I'm going to put the plate on and I'm going to hold it. It gets a little warm, but not so much where you're really going to burn your fingers. So this plate is over this plate. So I'm going to do the same on this side. Put some hot glue on the lower plate, the bottom plate. Put this plate on top of that. Hold it down. Let the glue set. And we're going to proceed. This plate is on top, so I'm going to put this plate underneath. Hold it. This plate is on top, so again, this plate is going to get glued underneath. Now the glue's still a little hot, so try not to stick your fingers in the glue like I just did. It's a little warm. I'm going to put glue on this edge. This plate is now going to get glued like that. So I have 5 plates glued together. For the center of the flower, you can use the same color plate. You can use a different color plate. And this particular flower, I'm going to use the same color plate. Do these stick? Let's see. So now I'm going to glue on the inside edge of the 5 plates. And stick this plate on top. And I'm going to run my fingers around the edge here of the inside plate to make sure the glue caught the plate. Okay, I think I'm a little off center here, but it really doesn't matter. Now you can pick a center color that you want to use. So do you want orange? This is a light blue. I have green ones. So I think I'm going to use an orange. I'm going to put glue on the bottom of the small 7-inch plate. Just stick it right down in the center. Now, because this is going outside with wind and weather and all that fun jazz, I want to make sure that I'm going to secure it a little more with a staple. I'm going to flip it over, get my staple, and I'm going to bash it. A good shot to get those 2 plates together. So If you're having a bad day or you're pissed at somebody, this is, go for it. Pretend you're stapling their head together. No, I'm kidding. Sometimes I don't know, I'm having a little difficulty with this one. Let's move along. Let's see. Okay. Move up into so I can capture both plates. Give it a bash. That one's okay. This one's a little questionable. Let me go back up here. Okay, so now they're secured with the glue and the staples. There's one flower done. Oh, actually, maybe not. Let me see. No, that one's done. Now I'm going to do a small flower quickly. We're going to do an orange one. So it's the same procedure. I'm going to lay the plates out. 3, 4, 5, 5. I'm going to pick a small plate of a different color for the center of the smaller flowers, like so. So it's going to be the same procedure. You're going to glue, 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 I'm gluing the top edge of the side plates to the bottom edge of that plate. And then I'm going to make sure I top edge over bottom edge. Okay, top edge over bottom edge. Hold it down. These two, I sort of just see how I think they fit better. Let's do it this way. If you pay attention to how you're laying your edges, the flower will just lay a little flatter. It's just a little easier. All right, those are all glued. Not going to show you the staple again. I'm going to stick this, oh, wrong thing. Hold on. We're going to glue the inside edges. Add some hot glue. Inside edge. Stick this plate on. Run my finger along that inside. Make sure it's captured by the glue. And there you have it. Now, I installed this outside. I used the hot glue to attach it to my window, my fence, my shutters, and my house. Hoping to God it doesn't pull the paint off the house, but I don't think it will. I'm sure you could use command strips. They were just a little more pricey, and it's a little harder just to get the strip, not the hook with the strip. So this is what I did. Feel free to do it however you want, or attach it to in your home however you wish. And happy Easter, Passover, spring. Hope you liked it. Bye.